Even though we can't be with you in school right now, KidSmart teaching artists are creating responsive, imaginative, digital content that the whole family can enjoy. KidSmart's Art Apart series includes hands-on activities,
and instead of drawing a normal passengers, I drew little kitty cats inside of my finish the picture.
read-alouds,
Once, oh small children round my knee, there were no stories on earth to hear.
movement and performance exercises,
But I think it'll be very fun if you just got one specific feeling and stuck to it. Like, I'm so happy to be inside all the time.
and other projects you can explore from the comfort of your own home. New videos premiere every weekday morning on KidSmart's YouTube channel, artist blog, and Facebook page. We can't wait to see you again. But until then, let's make some art apart together.